All right, I'm going to go over how to create your homepage. So by default, when you install the theme, you'll probably have your latest posts showing up. Um, so let's go ahead and first thing we're going to do is go to our dashboard and let's add a page. So we go add new and let's call this one home. Um, Now once you've created your homepage, click publish, and then you'll want to go under settings and reading. And you'll assign your front page displays, which is your home page, to a static page, and then the front page will select home, and then we'll save those changes. Now when we go to our home page, you'll see we have a normal page, and so the next few steps we're going to do is go to pages again, find our home page, and on the right under page attributes, you're going to have some templates. And there's two you can choose from. There's homepage and homepage version 2. They both work exactly the same. The only difference is the homepage v2 has the alternate homepage example from the live preview, which is just a secondary slider. So let's go ahead and just click homepage for now. Update it, and now when we refresh the page, you'll see that, let me actually reset that real quick. All right, sorry I had an example already done, but when you install it, you'll see the slider should be up here. Don't worry about it not showing up. We'll cover that in the featured slider video, and then your content will show down here. So for instance, if we edited that page and we did something like add content here, update the page, and then we view this page in a new tab, you can see the content shows there. So in here you could put in shortcodes, all sorts of things if you want. And then if you didn't want any content, just remove the content and that box will disappear. Now the main sections of the homepage, you might want to pull in blog posts or portfolio posts. And that's actually done under appearance and widgets. And so we have a homepage content area right here. And so what you can do is you can drag in a widget to this area and it will show up on your homepage. So there's actually 3 widgets that we made for this, and they're all progression home. So that should be pretty easy to tell. And let's do blog post for example. And basically you can drag it on, you'll get a bunch of options. You can pull in a different category. You choose the amount of posts and columns. So if we save that, you can see how it works. So I've got 2 posts and 2 columns pulled in. And if you want, you could even add in a button, so like learn more, and then you could link to your blog page, via the URL, and that will show up down there. Now, what we do in the live preview is this one is portfolio. Basically what we're doing is we're pulling in our portfolio, and you pick the title and the category of the portfolio. So if we save that, it won't pull in any posts since I don't have any in the featured. But if I go under portfolio and categories, you can see the portfolio categories I've created and how many posts they have. So I'm going to pick one that has posts in it. And you're going to want to pick the slug. And then we're going to go back to that widget. We're going to change that to portfolio category slug. We're pulling in architecture. And now our gallery is going to be all of our architecture posts. And the way you control the columns and how many per page is under Customizer. And it's the same for all of your portfolio files, so posts and columns. So that's how you can pull in posts if you want. You can do the same with products, or you can just add in content manually. You have a bunch of options for the home page on that.